Okay, this is going to be a very short video. My name is David Rogney, and I'm going to show you how I am changing out the front emblem on my Ford F150. So this is a 2008. First thing you need to do is pop your hood, so you can get to the back of this Ford emblem. So if you can see, there's like just two little 10mm clips. I'm going to show you these things, and you just basically take a deep 10mm ratchet and you just screw them off of the little posts. After you do that, then you just take your hands and kind of pry them out. They have these like little tabs that kind of hold them in. Then after that, so I told you this is the short version. After that, you just take some battery cleaner, not battery cleaner, I'm sorry, glass cleaner right here. Shoot that with a little bit of glass cleaner because the original one doesn't have any adhesive to it, but the new one does. So we're just going to clean that up a little bit. Let the sun kind of dry that out. Then we're going to take the new one and put it on there. So you can see that glass cleaner dries nice and fast. And so now we've got a good surface with which to peel off the back and put this in here. So we're going to put this new one in. And what we have to do is we have to take off the sticky stuff off the back here. So I'm going to have to put this camera down maybe. We'll see if we can do this with one hand. I don't know how talented I am. Oh my goodness, I just cut my fingernails today, so I am not able to get this off. Oh, this is funny. So I bought these things online for, I think it was like 20 bucks or maybe 22, I can't remember exactly. They were really cheap. I tried to get ones that were rated higher because some of these things, there we go. Okay, so you people with longer fingernails will have no problem. Guys like me who like my fingernails short. Okay, so that's nice and sticky. That's all prepared. You want to make sure you get the Ford emblem the right side up. And then just watch your holes back here. So what I'm doing is I'm looking to make sure I've got my holes lined up. Come forward and kind of push that on. The sticky stuff will hold it. Okay, and that's what it looks like. The sticky stuff will hold it, but I'm gonna go ahead and just screw those on the back anyway. So, from David Rogney here in North Idaho, this is how I've done my 2008 Ford F-150. Thank you.